Hi, I will get right to it. In my previous videos of how to play Solfa notes on guitar, also known as major scale, I've been able to cover up how to play on the first position, second position, third position, and the fourth position. In this video, I'll be teaching on how to play on the fifth position, which is the remaining position. Still on key G major, our root on the third fret of the sixth string. Our first note here, Do. On the third fret of the sixth string, Re. Re on the fifth fret, Mi. Mi on the seventh fret, Fa. Fa on the 8th fret, So. As you can see, I'm making use of finger 1, So on the 10th fret, La. La on the 12th fret. Now on the 5th position. Take note, this is a common boundary between the 5th position and the 4th position. On the 5th position, our first note here on the 12th fret is La. Still making use of finger 1, Ti. Ti on the 14th fret, Do. Do on the 15th fret. So these are the 3 notes on the 6th string of the 5th position. La, Ti, Do. So do this as many times as possible. La, Ti, Do. Let's proceed to the next string, which is the 5th string. On the 5th string, there are 3 notes here. Re, Mi, Fa. Re on the 12th fret, Mi on the 14th fret, Fa on the 15th fret. Re, Mi, Fa. Let's proceed to the next string, which is the 4th string or this string. There are 2 notes here. So, La. So on the 12th fret, La on the 14th fret. So La. One more time from the 6th string. La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La. Let's proceed to the next string, which is G string. On this G string here, there are 3 notes here. There are 3 notes here on G string. Ti, Do, Re. Ti, Do, Re. Ti. Ti on the 11th fret. Do on the 12th fret. Re on the 14th fret. Ti, Do, Re. The next string, which is B string, also known as string 2, there are 3 notes here. Mi, Fa, So. Mi, Fa, So. Mi on the 12th fret, Fa on the 13th fret, So on the 15th fret. The next string, which is the high E string, the same latido. Take note, the same latido we have on the 6th string, latido. The same latido we have on the high E string, latido. Just as here we have high pitch here, latido. La on the 12th fret, Ti on the 14th fret, Do on the 15th fret. One more time from the beginning. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, La. ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So it's time to descend the notes by going up. The same manner we ascended the note, the same manner we descend the note by going up. Starting from the high E string, do still remain on the 15th fret, T on the 14th fret, La on the 12th fret. We have do, ti, la. Okay, let's proceed to the next string, which is the second string. So, fa, mi, so on the 15th fret, fa on the 13th fret, mi on the 12th fret. Let's proceed to the next string, which is string 3. Re, do, ti, re, do, ti. Re on the 14th fret, do on the 12th fret, T on the 11th fret. The next string, which is the 4th string, La on the 14th fret, So on the 12th fret. The next string, which is the 5th string, Fa, mi, re, Fa on the 15th fret, Mi on the 14th fret, Re on the 12th fret. Then back to the 6th string, Do, ti, la. Do on the 15th fret, Do on the 15th fret, T on the 14th fret, La on the 12th fret. Heading towards the root, So 10th fret, Fa 8th fret, Mi 7th fret, Re 5th fret, Do. Back to the root. One more time. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Your assignment is to study the finger movements and finger pattern of every string and every fret, and do the same thing on key F and key F sharp. For example, on key F, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la. do, ti, la. Sol, fa, mi, re, do. Key F sharp, do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.